On guitar, either electric or acoustic, for almost every song that was ever written, if you have a G followed by G F hash, that will always be followed by some type of an E chord. In this song again, an E minor. When you come up with that sequence, it's always a good idea to shorten your first drum to the sixth string, or at least to the top end of the guitar. At least to the top end, the fifth string will be muted. And also for this chord and for your E minor. So instead of our usual strum, which might be, when you see the G, G, F hash and an E chord bass run, just for those three, you would use the sixth string only for the first strum instead of all 60 to emphasize this note, and this note in the rundown. And then for the rest of the song, you would go back to your, wherever the song takes you from there, you would go back to your normal strumming. This applies to almost every song you will play in guitar. When you see G, G F hash, or maybe even D F hash to an E type chord, mostly E minor, the first strum will be sixth string. And it sounds much better than just strumming straight chords out.